In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows. By the end, you'll have the tools ready to use from your command prompt. First, head to the official Node.js website. On the homepage, click on Download. Choose the Windows Installer option. This is the package made for Windows and includes everything needed for the command line to recognize Node.js. Once you download it, you're set to continue with the next steps. Next, go to the Claude website. From there, navigate to Claude Code. Open the Advanced Installation section, then scroll down until you see Standard Installation. On that page, you'll find a command you need to run. Copy it so it's ready to paste into your terminal in a moment. Now open the Windows search bar and look for Command Prompt. Open it, then type Node5v and press Enter. You should see the Node.js version number appear, which confirms your system recognizes Node.js. If you don't see a version number, give it a moment and try again. With the version confirmed, paste the command you copied from the standard installation section into the command prompt and press Enter. This will install Claude Code's command line tool. Let it finish without closing the window. After that, open File Explorer. Create a new folder by right-clicking, choosing New Folder, and then rename it to something descriptive. Click to open the folder. At the top of the File Explorer window, click the address bar, type cmd, and press Enter. This opens a command prompt directly inside that folder, which is convenient for working with files there. In the new command prompt window, type Claude and press Enter. When prompted, choose Yes and Continue. This allows the tool to complete its initial setup. Then type /login and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your session so the tool can connect to your account. After that, you need to buy a subscription to use the full features. Once your subscription is active, you'll be able to return to this command prompt and continue using the Claude command inside your chosen project folder. That's it! Node.js is confirmed, Claude Code is installed, and your workspace is ready. If you keep your command prompt open in that folder, you'll be all set for your next steps. Thanks for watching, and take your time repeating any part until it feels comfortable.